Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue saree with same color pallu, block prints and zari lines in the pallu, very pretty one with same color blouse piece, bright royal blue color, very elegant one, something between indigo blue and royal blue. Excellent shade with small floral design printed all over the saree closely with zari borders in both sides. Beautiful color combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark bottle green color pallu with zari lines and zari borders. Same color blouse piece. The complete saree is in green shades here, light green, pastel pale green color saree with small floral design block printed all over the saree. Closely it is being printed with the zari border, gold zari border in both sides. Excellent combination, a complete green saree for the green lovers with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful mustard yellow color pallu with zari lines and zigzag lines as well, block printed with same color blouse piece. One side we have black borders. The complete saree is in beautiful black, inch black it is, bright, majestic looking color with the leaf design printed in mustard and mild yellow color. The borders are also in the mustard shade. Excellent combo, black and yellow is really looking fantastic with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with block prints and zari lines. Same green blouse piece. It's a light green shade, almost an apple green color. The body color is completely cream here with the blue as well as yellow prints in the body. The border design is also printed using royal blue here with the green borders, the pallu color borders for the zari border base. Excellent, classy looking saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dual color pallu, purple and royal blue, very elegant one with purple color blouse piece with one side the royal blue borders. Very different concept saree. Here we have a beautiful white base color with prints in light royal blue. The top half we have 4 different prints. And we have yellow, next to that red, and the lower half is dark blue. The borders of the saree is done on purple base color, zari border. A beautiful saree with multiple prints, very elegantly done with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color, almost in a light green it is with block prints and zari lines, and we have same color blouse piece with one side dark brown color border. The complete saree is in dark brown, a coffee brown and a darker shade with buttas, the block prints done using half white in the body, and for the borders we have yellow and green block print as well done along with the white prints. Beautiful design, very different one with the green borders adding beauty to the saree. A completely contrast and very beautiful combo saree, a rare collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue, dark indigo blue color pallu, same color blouse piece. It's almost a Prussian blue color, something more than indigo blue. And we have a grey saree, a bluish grey color with prints completely, a diamond shape printing, geometric pattern. All over done using pink color, very contrast one for the body color, and we have the borders on the dark Prussian blue. Very elegant one, combination is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a completely pink saree, pink pallu with 2 different block print design in the pallu as well, with plain blouse piece, same color. The complete saree is in running color and it's a very attractive pink. And here we have a yellow color prints in both side borders. Between that we have a small white prints closely printed all over the saree. Excellent and elegant design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful bright pink color saree with same color pallu, beautiful design, block printed and zari lines is given with same color blouse piece. And the saree is also in pink shade with beautiful, very closely printed small flower design. Excellently printed, very simple design but very looking very excellent with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful, a girly combo, purple and pink in the pallu along with zari lines and purple color blouse piece, dark purple it is. And we have a beautiful pink saree with both sides borders. We have half white base color with dark blue and light blue color prints, floral ones, and we have the purple borders in both sides. A beautiful and a girly combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful yellow and green color pallu, vertically two colors with zari lines, and we have very contrast turmeric yellow color blouse piece with one side green borders. It's a complete contrast combination for the body. The body is in green. And top and bottom we have the half white portion with beautiful green and yellow print work, floral. The border work is also given in half white and yellow. The borders of the saree is again in green. Excellent combination, the beautiful combo, attractive one too with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with block prints and zari lines. Same green blouse piece with one side turmeric yellow color border. Excellent yellow and green concept saree. The complete saree is in turmeric bright yellow. Beautiful one with black and dark maroon color prints. And we also have the borders in the pallu color green. Border design as well as a beautiful temple design is given in both side borders. Beautiful contrast bright color combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pink pallu, almost in a magenta shade pink with block prints and zari lines. Same pink color blouse piece, contrast one for the body, and the pink and half white combination is always a eye catchy one. You can see the half white cream color in between, and block prints done one in a row in the top. A rangoli closely printed design and two at a row in the bottom. And you can see the beautiful borders as well. Combination is ultimate with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a brown color pallu with zari lines and vertical printed version of block prints, and we have same brown blouse piece with one side pink borders. It is a coffee brown color. A same coffee brown is given for the zari border base in the saree with a pink body color. The body color is completely pink here with very elegant prints. The prints are done only in the top half of the saree. That means it comes in the chest portion. Beautifully dark brown and white is used for printing. Excellent combination. Very beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with half white color as well as temple borders, and we also have zari lines. Same pink color blouse piece, magenta pink shade, contrast one for the body. The body is very elegant half white cream color, and the cream and pink is always an ultimate combination with a beautiful temple design border. On the lower half we have the zigzag lines pattern which is done using a greyish green color. Very different one. Simple yet very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pink pallu with zari lines and vertical block printed design, half white used for it, and we have the same color blouse piece, pallu color, contrast one for the body. The body is in light green combo, radiant light green color, and very different printing design. Both side borders we have the printing design. And the lower half we have 2 times it's been printed. Very excellent one with the borders in the pink base. The combination is very beautiful and attractive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a greyish blue color, royal blue in a little duller shade color pallu, same color blouse piece with one side purple border. The saree is completely in purple, very different combination, light royal blue into purple. The saree is completely in dark purple color with half white color printing, both borders as well as buttas, and we have the zari border done on the blue base. Very elegant combo with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, almost in bottle green color shade with beautiful zari lines and vertical block printed design. Same color blouse piece with one side pink borders, completely contrast concept. Saree is a bright pink here with yellow floral design printed, completely block printed with the border design also horizontally done in the saree both sides. And the zari border of the saree is done on the bottle green base color which is in the pallu. Extremely contrast and very attractive saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a yellow, almost a mango yellow shade with orange color pallu with zari lines and same orange blouse piece with one side yellow borders. It's a very contrast one for the body. The body is a beautiful half white color, creamy half white with the prints in a floral pattern, very elegantly done using the yellow and orange, as well as we have a light greenish blue color. Excellent one. The shades of the border is also rusty orange here. Very elegant saree, a classy one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a fully grey, elephant black color, almost black with mild grey finish. It is always called the elephant black with same color blouse piece. Only in the pallu we have the zari lines. Otherwise the complete saree is plain with only the zari borders. Very different one for the black lovers with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple color pallu with zari lines and block prints. Same purple blouse piece with one side green borders. The saree is in light parrot green shade. Beautiful color with the prints completely in half white color. The prints of the saree is done, the top half it is done in the top, that will come on the chest portion, and the lower half it is done in the knee portion, the legs of the saree. Very elegant. The color of the saree and the contrast nature is very pretty with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolored pallu. Vertically we have multiple colors with zari lines, and we have a pink blouse piece with one side orange borders. A colorful pallu it is with half white color, creamy half white, mild sandal tinge creamy half white it is with prints completely in multiple colors. Main colors used are green, orange and pink, and we also have the borders in the pink base. Excellent combination, a classy saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful brick red and green color pallu with zari lines and same green blouse piece. The concept of the saree is a partly one here, half saree model. The top half we have the maple leaf designs done on the almost light green tinge half white color, and we have the prints completely done using the red and green. The lower half is completely printed one on green base. You can see the forest pattern, tribal pattern is printed using half white. With only the low half we have the border design printed. A beautiful saree completely in a half saree model with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful yellow and red color pallu with zari lines and very beautiful block printed design. Very contrast yellow color blouse piece with red borders. Extremely contrast concept. And here the block print is also a very elegant and a traditional one. The Ganesha concept, Ganesha sitting in his mother's lap, beautiful one, that is done in the traditional colors too, or red and yellow. The block prints are also given in the both sides of the saree, top and bottom. On the bottom we have a zigzag lines version vertically done. Red concept, and only in the buttas we have the yellow. Very elegant saree, beautiful and traditional with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very colorful saree. The pallu have 3 colors, red, yellow, as well as orange. We also have purple, 4 colors actually, with red borders. The blouse piece with one side, yellow borders. Colorful saree. The saree here is in half white base with brush painting design done using yellow here and there. Along with that we have block prints, rose as well as a small flower design, and we have blue prints for the leaf and the stem portion, the Kodi pattern. And here we have a Ganga Jamuna pattern also. The top border is on purple base and the lower border is on red base. Very different saree, beautiful exclusive design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a complete purple saree with purple pallu, block print design as well as zari lines in the pallu, and the same color blouse piece. We have a mild pink shade on purple which is very pretty. The Pochambali elephants concept is printed in the saree. Half white is used for printing, and completely a simple concept yet very elegant color. The color is very attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful orange color, a bright orange with light blue, and we have same color pallu and blouse piece. Border design, block printed, and pallu have zari lines. Same color, complete saree is in running concept color. A mild orange it is, beautiful color with prints completely in half white. Simple printing, but the color of the saree is very attractive and rare with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful red pallu with block prints and zari lines. Same red blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is in half white color with a batik printing done using mustard yellow color. The temple border, a beautiful butta design, as well as the lower half we have the very elegant blocks, peacocks and bird pattern is done on red base color. Excellent one, the combination as well as the concept is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green and mustard yellow color pallu with zari lines, and we have same green color. It's almost an algae color green with one side yellow borders, and the complete saree is in mustard base color. Between the top and bottom we have the beautiful half white portion with Vana Singaram concept. Here we have elephants and the florals. Beautiful one with the borders in pallu color. Excellent concept and beautiful combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree with pink pallu. Zari lines and block prints is given in the pallu, and very differently we have printed blouse piece here. Rare one, rarely it comes with printed blouse piece. The complete saree is in bright pink shade, a lovely shade with the prints done mostly using half white and yellow color. Both borders we have the prints. Elegant one with the zari borders in both sides. A beautiful collection with the authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with yellow and black prints, and we also have zari lines with the same grey blouse piece. In one side we have a pink border for the blouse piece. The saree is in beautiful pink shade. Excellent printing on it. On both sides we have the grey base color with border design also printed. Yellow is used for the printing, so it is very contrast and very beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Beautiful yellow saree here, the most demanded one. Pallu is also in yellow with the floral design printed, as well as we have the zari lines in the pallu, and plain blouse piece. A very beautiful attractive yellow. Excellent color, not very bright, so it gives a beautiful look to the saree with the prints completely in white. mango design printed in both side borders along with the border design printed. Elegant one with zari border. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey and blue pallu, very beautiful zari lines and zari border on the pallu with the blue. It's a beautiful blue shade blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in half white tinge and it have a mild green and blue mix tinge also. It's not completely half white, with mild blue tinge it is. The complete printing is done using the dark blue. It is a different beautiful blue with the borders also in the blue color. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful lavenderish pink color saree, almost lavender pink shade with same color blouse piece. One side block printed blouse piece it is. Zari lines as we did to the pallu. Complete saree is in single color and it is a very pretty lavender and pink mixed color. Beautiful one. The complete prints are in contrast yellow and pink shades, and we also have white prints all over. Very different color, rare collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu, zari lines vertically, same red blouse piece with one side, border design also printed. The most demanded saree, restocked for customers' choice, and the half white saree it is almost a tussar color with multiple palm leaf design printed. Multiple colors used here, you can see, with the red borders in both sides. Very elegant saree, classy looking one with multiple colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful multicolor pallu with zari lines. Vertically the colors are given with almost a brick red color blouse piece. One side dark burgundy colors given for the borders. Very elegant multicolor, beautiful saree. The main color of the saree is blue, almost a navy blue color in the middle. Beautiful droplets design done in half white, and we have two color borders, the orange and brick red. The zari borders are done on the dark burgundy color. Very beautiful one, multicolor. Excellent concept with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green saree with green pallu, leaf green, beautiful color with zari lines vertically, and same color blouse piece with one side light green color borders. The saree is in light green base color. Beautiful one, almost apple green with dark green prints all over, and we also have a butta design printed in peachy pink color. The borders are in pallu color green. Complete saree is in green base, light and dark finish with excellent combination when it comes to authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. We have a beautiful pallu here, pink one, with zari lines, vertical zari lines and zari border. The same pink blouse piece, very contrast one for the body color. The saree is beautiful shade yellow, a bright yellow, very elegant one, and it is very contrast borders given in both sides, the pink color with the floral prints in half white. Bigger border in the lower part. Very elegant, attractive color, eye-catching with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue saree, almost a royal blue color with same color pallu, zari lines and vertical block printed design with same color blouse piece. On one side we have the block printed border design. The border design continues in the saree as well. Beautiful design mango printed here and there in the saree. Elegantly multiple colors used for it. Different concept, beautiful color, ever lovable blue with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful color, almost half white with mild greenish tinge, which gives a beautiful tussar color. Elegant pallu, blouse piece, same color. Pallu have zari lines as well as block printed vertical line. And here we have a very beautiful saree, Complete saree is in the same color, the pallu color. Only the dark blue is used here for the block prints. Semi-circle pattern and border design. Very beautifully printed and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders. Done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brownish maroon shade pallu with fish motifs in one side and zari lines in the main pallu, and the same color is given for the blouse piece as well. Almost maroonish red it is. The saree is in black. With both sides we have the prints in half white. Beautiful fish pattern printed on both sides very elegantly using the shades of red and orange. And the borders are in pallu color. Temple border is also given with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with zari lines and zari border. Antique kind zari is used here for the black finish. Same black blouse piece, pallu color. Contrast one for the body. The body is in dull finish half white with a green tinge, green and brown mixed color tinge. And we also have a beautiful concept, half and half. The top half is with just mango printing with multiple colors. And the lower half is with multiple colors, checked pattern. Different one, closely printed one. Very elegantly done with black zari borders in both sides. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful dark green, a bottle green color pallu with zari lines. Same color blouse piece, plain one with zari borders. Contrast one for the body. The body is in very light green color. Excellent color it is. Light pale light green. It's very beautiful and shuttle color with prints in half white. Very different design printed, closely printed design with zari borders in both sides. Completely green shade saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue color saree with same color pallu, beautiful blouse piece, completely in royal blue. The beautiful works in the pallu, zari lines and block piece. And the saree have floral pattern printed in both sides, upper and lower bottom. Very elegantly, pink and yellow used for the printing. And we also have a gold zari border which is very pretty. Excellent collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have beautiful green, almost in bottle green shade, pallu with zari lines and same color blouse piece with one side purple borders. The saree is in contrast color, half white in the middle with prints in magenta color and royal blue. On top half we have a purple color. On lower half we have little darker shade purple. It's violet and purple, two different shades. Very elegantly it's been done, and the borders are in pallu color. Beautiful colorful saree, very different concept with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark brown color, almost blackish brown it is, with zari lines and zari border. The same color, purple color it is, not brown, purple, dark purple color, blouse and pallu. The saree is in half white, creamy half white color with dark blue color prints, and we also have a border design done in pink color. Very different saree, an exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block print, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu, zari lines, and the yellow is also there in the pallu with plain blouse piece, plain black with one side yellow borders. The saree is in cream color. The borders are Ganga Jamuna pattern. Top is black and the lower half is in yellow. Temple border is also given in black. Very elegant one. Black, white and yellow combination saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolor pallu Vertically we have multiple colors with zari lines also, and we have a rust color, rusty orange color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is in cream color, half white, creamy half white. Different design printed in the body, multiple colors. We also have borders in green base color on both sides. Zari borders on the pallu color, the blouse color, rusty orange. And we also have black prints in the lower bottom. Very elegant, classy looking saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. With zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue, it's almost a Ananda blue color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Simple pretty one. And we have a very contrast dark magenta color, magenta pink blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is in very different color choices. The top portion is completely half white with blue prints, and the lower border a big blue border, and the lower border type is printed using the floral, the Vanasingaram concept, and we have magenta pink and green colors. Very different prints in the top and lower portion. A half saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful and contrast saree, a magenta pink pallu, beautiful color, dark shade, same color blouse piece with one side blue borders. Pallu have beautiful jari lines as well, vertically it's been done, and the saree is in very pretty royal blue shade, very elegant one with the borders in pink, and we have prints only in the lower half of the saree. Elegantly yellow and white is used for the printing. Beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, zari lines and block prints in the pallu. Same pallu and saree color are same here. Even the blouse piece is same. Completely a dark navy blue color, blackish blue it is, but it is blue. You can see beautiful design, the diamond pattern printed in it, a checked one too. Half white is used for printing, half white and black. Very elegant one. The border design is also printed with beautiful zari borders in both sides. Very elegant and rare color in tussar with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful black saree here with pallu, a mild dark blue mixed black color pallu with zari lines and zari border. And same pallu color blouse piece. The shade of black is little different in pallu and the body color. Almost an elephant black in the body. Beautiful one with the prints completely done using half white. Multiple leaf designs, different designs are printed on the saree. Very elegant one with the zari borders in both sides. It comes with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu, grey, red as well as black is there in the pallu, vertically with zari lines, and same maroon color blouse piece. One side we have black borders. The saree is in very different light color, half white with yellow tinge, and the complete saree have batik printing also done using dark pink color, and we have a beautiful different design printed in the saree using black and pink. You can see the lower bottom we have maroon base as well. Excellent saree, multiple designs with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful saree in Prussian blue color, same color pallu with block prints and zari lines, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The complete saree is in single color with the lower half alone. The half white color is given, and then we have a beautiful girl with deep forest pattern printed using black color. Excellent color, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with multi colors, You can see blue, green and red shades with block prints and zari lines, and we have the blue copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side the brick red color borders. The saree is a very different color, a pastel shade, mild green tinge, so olive green tinge with the prints in very different dark green and red. Two different kind of printing, the leaf pattern as well as a very different pattern in the top. Again a blue portion is given in the lower half. Multiple designs printed in the saree, very different, rare collection, rare color combination with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block prints in half white and blue, pink, and we also have zari lines. And the grey is given for the blouse piece also. The pallu color, the body color is a very different one. New design here, almost a rama green in the middle portion, that is a plain portion, and after that we have the half white portion with pink prints. Very elegant one, the forest tribal pattern, as well as we have geometric design, leaf, and many designs are given in one single saree with the grey borders in both sides. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with the tribal design printed in the pallu. Same dark red color, almost a maroonish red it is, blouse piece. The saree is also having a beautiful batik concept printed all over. Tribals vertically printed on red base. Saree actually is in half white base color. You can see the greyish green color prints, batik prints. And we also have zigzag lines in both sides of the saree done using yellow and red. Elegant one, very different one too with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon and black pallu with prints in white, very elegant one with zari lines also. And we have same black color, check black blouse piece with one side rama green borders. The saree is in beautiful rama green and red combo. Excellent color, dark shade rama. And you can see the red base in the both sides of the saree. Very elegant one with the prints in multiple designs. You can see birds as well as geometric pattern. Very elegant one with the black borders in both sides. Very elegant, beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu with block print design and zari lines, and a very different dark purple color blouse piece with one side royal blue color borders. The saree is in a very pretty shade, half saree model as well. The top portion is completely in turquoise blue with batik printing and purple prints all over. The zari borders are in royal blue shade, and the lower half is completely green in the top, plain green, and the lower half is printed. Half saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark indigo blue color pallu with zari lines and same blue blouse piece, completely a dark color. Contrast is also a dark color here. Body color is dark choco brown. Beautiful color. You can see the borders in the deep blue color, and the lower part of the saree we have the prints that is done using white and yellow. Very beautiful floral design with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu with block prints in the fish pattern printed using half white, and on it the royal blue is used here, and we have same green, a light green color, parrot green at most, with one side pink borders. The saree is in beautiful pink between plain portion, and the top and bottom we have the printing design, fish pattern as well as a leaf pattern horizontally printed, and we also have the beautiful hand fan design, very elegant one. And the borders are in a pretty green, ultimate contrast nature saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with jari lines and jari border. Same in jet black color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body have very beautiful design. Half white base with brush painted design in the saree. You can see a R design, very elegantly brush painted using yellow, blue and black. And we also have a beautiful printing design in the black also. The lower part is completely printed using a floral design, very elegantly, closely with red part. Beautiful one with authentic self mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful peach color, a peachy pink color pallu and blouse piece. Plain blouse piece it is. And we have a pallu that is a block printed one, as well as zari lines is given vertically. The saree is completely in the peachy pink color in between, and prints are given in the both side borders. One at a row in the top and two at a row in the bottom. Very different design with this fish and multiple geometric pattern. And we also have gold zari borders in both sides of the saree. Excellent rare color with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple and violet base color saree, very excellent one, different color with dark burgundy choco brown color and pink mixed color. It is very different color. Blouse piece. Saree is in purple and blue mix light color with the prints in dark blue and burgundy, and we also have a lower border that is in burgundy base color. Very elegant one, multiple prints used for it. Excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark red color saree, completely in the same color. The pallu also with block prints and zari lines. Same color blouse piece. Running color, but a very attractive color it is. Dark red, beautiful one with zari borders and antique finish border. And we also have printed one in the lower half alone. Almost a half and half pattern. The lower half is completely printed using the half white color. Elegant and excellent color, attractive color saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a maroon shade with zari lines and block prints, and we have same maroon blouse piece. The saree is a very different one. You can see only the top half we have maroon, except that fully it is half white color on it. Black is used for printing. Very different block prints used here. Very elegant one, very different one too. All over the saree is printed in the same way with the borders around in maroon shade. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. We have a multicolor pallu, very elegant one, vertically zari lines and colors are given with royal blue color blouse piece. One side we have green in the blouse piece. Saree is in half white, dull finish half white it is. The top portion is plain half white color with the crane prints, and the lower part is a fully printed one on white base. It is a half saree model saree. The top and bottom we have two different designs. Very elegant design, exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu, zari lines, same green blouse piece. The saree is in half white color, creamy half white with yellow vertical painting design, almost a cream color, and the Vanasingaram concept is done in this saree. Magenta pink and green is used for the birds and the floral pattern. Closely printed, beautiful design, and we have a green borders in the zari border base. Very elegant one with authentic silk.